Hi, my name is Dennis Carriere, and I'm an analytics consultant here at Collectiv. I'm a big coffee fan. I drink 3 to 4 cups a day, so in my cup today, I have coffee. My favorite thing to do outside of work is play golf. I try to play golf 2 or 3 times a week with my friends and also with my dad. So prior to Collectiv, I do very similar things to what I do now, so Power BI reporting and analytics, but I actually did it for a food manufacturer, so a lot of well-known brands, and I thought that was really interesting. Something awe-inspiring that I have experienced is after Hurricane Katrina, when my area was pretty much well wiped out. We had a lot of community involvement to get homes rebuilt, local churches rebuilt, a bunch of grocery stores rebuilt, so getting all of that community together, that was really awe-inspiring. Something unique about where I'm from is crawfish boils. So think of this little mud bug that you clean and then throw in a pot with a bunch of seasoning. I know it sounds very strange, but it is the most delicious thing and something that we do. When I think of the word explore, I think of adventures. And when I think of adventures, I think of going on trips across the world. It's something that my family did when I was growing up. We would go to different mountain ranges and do lots of hiking around there. So I find like that's really adventurous. It's a lot of fun and something that I got to experience with my family. One thing that I discovered about myself while working with Collectiv is my love for communication. I've been able to manage tons of clients and be able to communicate with them daily and talk about their problems and eventually solve their business problems is something that I really love and something that I've experienced well with Collectiv.